Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1, subject is English. Okay, dear students, I hope you have done your homework. Yes, today I am going to teach you Unit 1, Lesson 4, Sentences. This lesson has been given at page number 6 of your Progressive English Book 1. Let's get started our lesson. Who is this? Do you know? Yes, I have told you. This is Ali. This is Fiza's brother. He is Ali. He likes his Game Boy. Read all these sentences. This is Fiza's brother. He is Ali. He likes his Game Boy. Okay. Yes, students, remember we use he for a boy. Because Ali is a boy, we use he for Ali. Okay. We use he for a boy. We use he for Ali. Okay. We use he for a boy. Remember, we use he for a boy. Who is this? Yes, you are right. This is Fiza's father. This is Fiza's father. Read, this is Fiza's father. He likes his van. Yes, what does he like? He likes his van. Yes, remember, we use he for a man. Yes, Fiza's father is a man, so we use he for a man. We always use he for a man. Remember this point. We use he for a boy and we use he for a man. Look at this boy. I have taught you we use he for a boy. Yes, read. He. We use he. This is man. This is a man. We use he for a man. Yes, we use he for a man. Okay, remember this point. Now, who is this? Yes, this is Fiza. This is Fiza. She wants to play. Read, she wants to play. She wants to play. She likes playing with Ali. Read, she likes playing with Ali. Yes, student, here you have to remember we always use she for a girl. We always use she. This is she. Okay, read she. This is she. We always use she with a girl. Okay. Yes, who is this? This is Fiza's mother. This is Fiza's mother. She likes her flowers. She likes her flowers. Yes, here students, you have to remember we use she for a woman. Yes, we use she for a girl and also we use she for a woman. Yes, read these sentences. This is Fiza's mother. She likes her flowers. Yes, who is this? She's a girl. She is reading a book. Yes, she is a girl. So we use she for a girl. Yes, read. She. Who is this? This is a woman. She is a teacher. She is teaching something. Yes, we use she for a woman. We use she for a lady teacher. Okay. Remember, we use she for a woman and also we use she for a girl. Yes, who is this? This is Biff. It is Fiza's teddy bear. Yes, we use it for an animal. Yes, we use it for an animal and we also use it for a thing like pen, pencil, book. Okay, remember we use it for different things, but it should be singular, not more than one. Okay, one thing. Ooh, who is this? It is a cat. We use it for a cat. We use it for a cat because it is an animal. Cat is an animal, so we use it for a cat. Yes, read it. It. Yes, this is dog. This is a dog. He is running. It is running very fast. We use it with a dog. Yes, we use it with a dog. Yes, read it. Yes, students, remember we use it with a animal. Okay. Yes, they are boys and they are more than one. You, one, two, three, four. Four boys. Now we can't use he, she, it. We never use it, he or she with more than one boy. Okay, we use they. Yes, they are going to school. Yes, look at this word. Read they. They are going to school. We never use he or she or it with more than one boy. Okay, they are plural, more than one. Okay, so we use they here. We can't use he or she. Okay, look at this picture. Yes, some girls are reading. Yes, some girls are reading. Tell me what word we use here? He, she, it, or they? Yes, one, two, three. Three girls. It means more than one. More than one. So we use here they. So we use here they. They are girls. They are reading books. They are reading. They are girls and they are reading. Yes, we use here they. Look at here. They read. They are reading. They are reading. Yes, okay. Now, students, you have to solve this question. Read. Listen to me. Use the words she, he, they, and it to complete these sentences. Yes, read after me. Use the words she, he, they, and it to complete these sentences. Yes, example is given for you. Dash is standing up. Yes, look at this picture. Who is this? This is a boy. Yes. So we use he here. He is standing up. If here you can use see a girl, you use here she. Yes. Now look at this. Number one, Dash are playing with a ball. Yes. One and two, two girls. Here you can see two girls. Okay. You put here they, yes, they are playing with a ball. Never use he or she or it here. Yes, always use they because they are two. One, two. Two persons. Okay, two girls. You use here they. Now, number two, look at this picture. Yes, now you have to look at this picture. Yes, this is a dog. It is running. It is running very fast. You use, and you know it is an animal. You use it here. It is running. Here you have to put it. Yes, look at this picture. This picture now. Number three, Dash are reading books. Dash are reading books. Who are reading books? Yes, boys are reading books. And you use they for boys. We use they for boys because more than one boy. More than one boy. How many boys? Count. One, two, three. Three boys. So we use here they. They are reading books. Read after me. They are reading books. Dash is dancing. Yeah, this girl is dancing. And girl, you know, girl, we use here she. We have to put here she. She is dancing. She is dancing. Number five, yes. What is this man? What is this man doing? He is mending a cup. Yeah, this is a man. Look at this picture. This is a man. This is not girl. This is not woman. So you use here he. He is mending a cup. He is mending a cup. Yes, look at this picture. Number six. Sixth picture. This is a cat. Yes, tell me what you put here. What word? She, he, they, or it. Yes, you are right. You use it here. It is sitting down. It is sitting down. It is sitting down. Yes, I hope you solve these blanks on your own, inshallah. Comes to question B. Now complete these sentences. Very easy. Example, Dash is a boy. Boy. What word we use? He, she, it, or they? Yes, tell me, hurry up. Yes, you are right. He is a boy. He is a boy. Yes, he is the answer. He is a boy. Now, number one, dash is a dog. Dash is a dog. Dog is an animal. We never use he, she, or they with our dog. We use what word? It. Yes, you are right. It is a dog. It is a dog. Yes, dash is a man. Dash is a man. Yes, tell me. He is a man. Yes, you are right. We use he for a man. Now, dash, number three, dash is a girl. Yes, recall, hurry up, recall. We use she for a girl. Yes, we use she for a girl. She is the answer here. Okay. Number four, dash are boys. Not one boy, more than one boy. Okay. More than one boy. You can see here S. Boys means more than one boy. Okay. We have to put here they, not he, she. We have to put here they. They are boys. Okay. Now number five, dash is a cat. Cat is an animal. You have to put here it. It is the answer. Number six, dash is a boy. Very easy. You have to put here he. He is a boy. Number seven, dash is a woman. Yes, we use she for a woman. So we put here she. Okay. Hopefully you will do all these blanks, inshallah. Now comes to question number 3. C. Write your name. Oh, very easy. What's your name? You know well. Begin it with a capital letter. Yes, we always write our names with a capital letter. Yes, first letter should be capital. Take some example. If you are Abdullah, you have to write A capital. Okay, A should be capital. A should be capital. Then you write B, D, U, L, L, A, H. Abdullah, your writing should be neat and clean. Okay, your handwriting should be good, should be nice. Okay, Abdullah. Remember, always any name begins with capital letter. First letter should be capital. Now comes to question number D. Match the small letters to the capital letters. Very easy question. Very easy. It's very easy for you. This is the this is small a, this is capital A. Match. Yes, like this. Now B. Okay, match B. This is small letters. These are small letters and these are capital letters. Inshallah, you can do easily. Now comes to next question. A. This is the last question. Now use capital letters to complete these names. Yes, dash L-I. Example. Yes. Tell me, hurry up. What? Yes, guess, hurry up, guess. A. Yes. Ali. Ali. Now number one. Dash is double F. Recall, hurry up. Biff. Yes, you are right. Biff. B sound. Now Feza. Now 3. Sarah. Now 4. Daddy. Number 5. Mummy. Yes, you have to write here F, capital F, and here S, capital S, and here Daddy, capital D. Yes, and Mummy, capital M. Yes, M. Okay, dear students, I hope you will do all these questions, inshallah. Now I have to talk to your parents. Okay, now you can go. Yes, guidelines for parents. Number 1, after watching this video, ask the child to do all the questions A, B, C, D, and E in his or her book at page number 6. Okay, آپ بچے سے یہ تمام کام جو ہے اے بی سی ڈی اور ای کوشچن جو ہے پیج نمبر 6 پہ ویڈیو سننے کے بعد کروائیں، اور ضروری نہیں ہے کہ سارے کوشچن ایک ہی دن میں کروائیں، پاز دے لیں، اس میں ایک کوشچن آج کروا لیں، ایک کل کروا لیں، یا دو کوشچن ایک ساتھ کر سکتے ہیں، ان کو دیکھ کر چلیں، کیونکہ رائٹنگ اسپیڈ چھوٹے بچے ہیں، سلو بھی ہوتی ہے، اور رائٹنگ کا بھی خیال رکھنا ہوتا ہے، تو آپ ان کو دیکھ لیں، اور یہ کوشچن 5 ہیں، ان کو آپ کروائیں گے۔ نمبر 2، assess the child where he or she feels any difficulty or any problem۔ ان کی مدد کریں جہاں بھی وہ آپ کو نظر آتا ہے کہ پرابلم میں ہے، کوئی مسئلہ ہے ان کے ساتھ، کہیں ان کو سمجھ نہیں آ رہا، تو ان کو ہیلپ آؤٹ کیجیے، he or she needs your help۔ نمبر 3، ریڈنگ الاؤڈ از ویری امپورٹنٹ فار دا چائلڈ۔ آپ کو پتہ ہے ریڈنگ بڑی امپورٹنٹ ہوتی ہے، ایک سائلنٹ ریڈنگ ہوتی ہے، ایک زور سے پڑھنا ہوتا ہے، اونچی آواز سے پڑھنا، وہ اس لیے ضروری ہے چھوٹے بچے کے لیے، ہمیں کنفرم ہو کہ وہ ریڈنگ صحیح کر رہا ہے یا نہیں کر رہا، تو آپ اس سے ریڈنگ کروائیں گے۔ ہی اور شی از ایبل ٹو ریڈ ورڈس اور سینٹینسز ریٹن ایٹ پیج نمبر 6۔ پیج نمبر 6 پہ جتنی بھی انسٹرکشنز ہیں، سینٹینسز ہیں، ان کو بچے سے ضرور پڑھوائیں، اور ریڈنگ پریکٹس کروائیں، خاص طور پہ آل دا انسٹرکشنز، میک ہم اور ہر ریڈنگ پریکٹس آل دا انسٹرکشنز ریٹن ایٹ پیج نمبر 6۔ جو پیج نمبر 6 میں جتنی بھی انسٹرکشنز ہیں ان کو ضرور پڑھوائیں۔ I mean that he or she is able to read questions A, B, C, D and E، یعنی کہ A, B, C, D, E questions جو دیے ہوئے نا، اس کی لینگویج بچے نے پڑھنی ہے، ٹھیک ہے، وہ ضرور اس کی پریکٹس کروائیں۔ نمبر 4، ٹیک کیئر آف ہز اور ہر ہینڈ رائٹنگ۔ یہ لاسٹ ٹائم بھی بات ہوئی تھی، ہینڈ رائٹنگ کا خیال رکھیں، کہیں پہ غلط لکھ دیتے ہیں وہ تو کوئی مسئلہ نہیں ہے، ربر سے مٹوائیں، دوبارہ ان سے لکھوائیں، فارمیشن ٹھیک ہونی چاہیے لیٹرز کی۔ نمبر 5، وین یور چائلڈ شوز بیٹر پرفارمنس اینڈ ورکس اپ ٹو دا مارک، جب بھی آپ کا بچہ اچھا کام پرفارم کرے، اچھا کام دکھاتا ہے، پہلے سے بہتر کرتے ہیں، اور وہ معیاری کام ہوتا ہے، اپ ٹو دا مارک ہوتا ہے، تو آلویز اپریشیٹ ہم اور ہر، تو اس کی حوصلہ افزائی کریں، کیونکہ انکریجمنٹ از ویری اسینشیل ٹو انہینس ہز اور ہر ایبلٹیز اور اسکلز۔ جو اللہ تعالیٰ نے بچوں کے اندر ایک ایبلٹیز رکھی ہیں، اسکلز رکھی ہیں، اس کو پالش کرنے کے لیے، اس کو بڑھانے کے لیے ان کی انکریجمنٹ بہت ضروری ہے، حوصلہ افزائی۔ تھینکس فار واچنگ دس ویڈیو، جزاک اللہ، السلام علیکم۔